And that's how you blow a fuse. Drop the beat. What's up, guys? Have you ever had to clean your carpet in your car and realize it's just not getting clean and wish you could take a pressure washer to the inside? Well, that's what we're gonna do today. This car, the 03 WRX, the inside was just not great. The 02, the red one, actually has a mint interior. So what we did was we went ahead and pulled out the entire interior of this car. My good friend Taylor came over, and while we were on a YouTube live,
oh my Jesus. I really hope that was on camera, and it was.
Side note, if you're not subscribed on YouTube,
hey, I found a monies.
You might want to subscribe. We're always jumping on there doing stuff live.
But I'm trying to not get a content strike.
Key to my heart.
But we took out the driver's seat, passenger seat, rear seat, the carpeting, the center console, some roaches, about $7 and change, 5 different calibers of unspent ammunition, and some really nasty used Q-tips, and got the interior stripped. And then the next thing is to clean the carpet and get the carpet back inside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside. It is 37 degrees, and I am so excited to be going outside in 37-degree weather to pressure wash a carpet. But we're gonna use some Simple Green to degrease the carpet, agitate it a little bit, hit it with the pressure washer, hang it up, let it dry. If you're still watching, thank you for sticking around. Drop me a comment and let me know what Overtake USA parts I should put on this car. This car is going to be mine for a while, and then eventually probably my son's. So we want to keep the power moderate, but we got to have some fun. Let's head outside. All right, so when it's 37 degrees outside and you get your pressure washer, it's important to remember that 37 is only a little bit above 32, which is freezing, and it's frozen. So I've got it sitting here next to a radiant heater here in my garage, letting it warm up a little bit. Once we can get water through it, then we'll go outside and get to this carpet. Real life, folks. That's how it goes. All right, so I have some Dawn dish detergent and some Simple Green. We're just gonna spray this in and we'll agitate it with a brush. Now, I've already vacuumed this, and the carpet isn't really all that bad, but these couple places where there are some stains, I definitely wanna make sure that I saturate it pretty good. All right, and we'll just pour one out for the homies. Cool, we'll let that sit in for a few minutes. All right, so I'm just gonna use a tire brush to agitate this. And the hopes here is that this will help lift the dirt and the stains out when I start pressure washing. And I'm not going for perfection here because this is 25-year-old carpet, but anything's gonna be better than what it was, for sure. And I actually do have the tools to attach to a drill to agitate this, but I honestly just don't wanna go look for it. So if you have those, this would be a good time to use them. Right there where the driver's seat and driver's feet go, nice and dirty. Same in the back where the kids would be. Kids are awesome, but they're also the worst. All right, and then, all right, let's hit it with a pressure washer. Maybe not. Do we have a blowout? That's probably not good. There was a moment like this where I started questioning my life choices. Why is my pressure washer not wanting to work? Is it still frozen? Let's turn it off and turn it back on again. Let's take this off and see if it's the hose. All right, we'll be back in 3 to 4 business seconds. All right, we took the hose inside. We did some things. Let's see what happens. That's a good sign. Water be flowing. We'll work with that. You can see there's a lot of dirt that's coming out of this. After I get a good chunk of this off, I'm gonna pick it up and put it on the front railing of the house so I can keep going. Oh my God, it's heavy. And the pressure washers, what the hell are you doing, man? And that's how you blow a fuse. Washing machine, that's why. Let's do this some more. Put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. Drop the beat. Ew, it got in my mouth. Not bad, very nice. All right, now we wait for probably a long time. All right, it's bright out here. It's 45 degrees and it's done. So we're letting it cool off now. That was dumb. All right, so it's been sitting out here, hanging up on the front railing of the house for probably about an hour and a half. It's now sitting in the sun, in the bed of the Sambar. Parts of it are already dry, other parts are not. So I'm gonna let it sit out here in the sun like this for probably an hour, and then I'll flip it over upside down so that the jute on the back can dry. And I'll just be working on cleaning the inside of the car. At least it doesn't smell. It smells like Simple Green now. Nice. So there you have it, guys. We've got the carpet clean. We've got the carpet reinstalled. Let's take a quick look. So there you go. Much cleaner. Not perfect, but definitely much cleaner. It's reinstalled in the car. We've got the center console. We're working on the shifting mechanisms, getting those bushings all done. You'll see a video of that coming soon. We're going to start trying to source a center console lid because I do not like the extended armrest. Got to find a stereo. Got to get gauge pods put in. Slowly the interior is getting there. All we need now is to get that motor finished in and a million other things. So guys, thanks for watching. If you will, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the video. If you have any questions, if there's something I could do different, if you want my Venmo to send me money for a coffee, we're all adults, maybe. We'll see you next time.